Reading, Mama. I hate rainy days.
What's wrong?
I'm angry
Why?
because it's raining. I can't go to the playground. I can't ride my bike.
Oh,
I can't play outside. Where is the rain from? I want to stop the rain.
rain? Let me see. Can you see this water in the cup?
Yes.
In the warm sun, some of the water will become water vapor and go up to the sky. This is called evaporation.
Wow, can I see water floating up to the sky?
No, you can't see it. Water vapor is tiny. Water vapor groups together to make clouds. When the cloud has too much water, it rains.
Aha!
Do you remember when we washed the car together?
Yes, it was fun.
There were some puddles, but they dried up.
Did these evaporate?
Yes, they did.
What about last weekend? We ate ice cream in front of the fountain.
Yes, we did.
Did the fountain water go up to the sky too?
Yes, some of it did.
Wow! This rain has my good memories. I like raining. Dad, shall we go out for a walk?
Sure,
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Yippee! I like raining.
Ha ha ha. Oh, what are you doing?
Yay! It's much more fun. Reading, Mama.